I was a refugee. I have been in your place. I feel your pain. Plus, I had totally nothing. When I decided to start my business as a renovator, I didn't find anyone to help me. I will tell you my real life experience how I did it. For the second time on row, after I lost in the first time my business during the war in my country. I was really poor. Back then, I even borrowed money to buy my food, but I went from there to be free financially. Don't worry, I have got your back. I will tell you how to start any kind of business in very easy way. I will explain you how you can start, how you can grow, how you can get free customers, how you can scale your business, and how you can make more money. I hear this example almost everywhere, every day. Can you sell this pen? They said, if you can sell a pen, then you can start your business because you have sales skills. But it is wrong. Sales is like catching a fish, but business is like building the whole fishing industry. You are not just selling. You are creating a system that opens doors in front of you every day. You have to learn how you can approach the right people on the right moment, how you can communicate with people, how you can make deal and close it, how you can make from your products that matching the culture and the style of your clients. My real life experience when I started my business, I had no website and no paid advertisement, but I was lucky because if I had paid advertisement and I am getting customers, but I cannot finish the job because my skills are low and my experience not good at all, then people, they won't pay me. And if they don't pay me, I won't be able to pay for my advertisement. I was getting free customers from the building stores here in my area. I went to them one by one. I spoke to the owners. I told them that I'm a refugee and I want to start a small business as a renovator. If you get some clients who buying from here material, but they don't know how to deliver the work, so I can help them, send it to me, and in the meantime, if I get customers from my side, I will buy the material from here. And I closed the deal in less than 15 minutes. Guess what? Who called me at the day after? One of these owner's shops, he called me and he told me that he have some work in his villa. I went there and I delivered the work. I was building good experience, good communication with that level of people, and also good skills in sales. In the meantime, I was avoiding my mistakes in my work direction in the renovations. Business is the full process of creating long-term value for your company. Business is also about building strategies that fuel your growth forever. They fail not because their service is not good or their products not good. Most of the time, the small companies, their products and their businesses are delivering really top quality, but they don't know what's wrong and what's right. For example, if your business is infected, you have to be the doctor and to give the right medication, otherwise he will die. Instead of chasing customers one by one and paying for advertisement, partner with companies who has already your audience. As I did. By the way, I am Ryan, I was a refugee, and now I am entrepreneur of GMC, Business Consulting and Development. After I had built enough skills and experience, I started just saving money. I remembered at that time, I had around 5,000 euros in my account, and I was so happy. It was an amazing moment because I am a refugee. I started under the rock, and now I have 5,000 euros. It's a big result for me. At that time, while I was thinking about growth and go one step further to make website and advertisement, in the same week, I got a call from advertisement company. They told me they can make for me a website and advertisement. They came to me to the project where I was working really hard, and I signed the contract. But it was all the way around. They scammed me in 25,000 euros. I went again under zero in 20,000 euros. I couldn't even offer to pay my rent and my costs and my bills. It was a horrible moment. The lesson here that has cost me 25,000 euro, you are getting him for free. Don't ever sign a contract with anyone before you make deep research about him. my best advice for you to learn online how you can make pictures and how you can make videos, reels, shorts, and post it on your social media. Make shorts videos and post pictures with all your keywords are related to your business. Make a small poster with a story that has made with you and good success and good review from the clients on your social media profiles and see the result. It's going to amaze you. The secret here that you are connecting with them through the social media. They can visit your profile and you can visit their profile, and you will decide if you are going to work with them or not. In the meantime, it's building more trust because they see your picture. You are not connecting with them behind the mail or they visit just your website. They see everything about you. Leave your social media profiles open and all the posts are related to your business only, nothing else, and see the result. Is going to amazing you. Now you learn how to share with companies who has already your audience and to make advertisement for yourself even if you don't have website. Let's to move if you have website. Let's say you have a website and you want to run advertisement. Stop, don't do it. Don't run advertisement. Make these things only. You have to put on your website blogs and FAQ section. This is marketing for free without payment. Instead of running behind paid advertisement or influencers, you can put on your website the FAQ section and blogs. The FAQ section, you have to answer all the questions are asked on the search engines by people about your work. Just put the answers there. In your blogs, put all the keywords are related to your business with your story, about yourself and about your industry. After all, the most powerful thing you can do it for your business free, let the customer put positive reviews about your work or about your products. It is powerful. The search engines, they are going to pull you and to put you the first one on the search. Now, the scaling system, don't get stuck. This is very important. Here is the secret. This is my real life experience. If I hire someone, I have to pay him like 100 per day, per week 500. But if I buy machine with 500 and can help me for 2 years, then no, I will invest in the machine because machine can help me for 2 years. But the 500 euros, I pay it to hire someone, it will go in 1 week. The second thing, you can invest in software. Software are going to save you a lot of money and energy because after you come back from your work, you will be very tired. You don't have energy to make 2 or 3 contracts or invoices. Software is going to help you also to save time because time costs money. In that way, you can enjoy your life instead sitting behind the screen and making only contracts. Small companies, they struggle and they stuck because they rely on their workers. And if they don't rely on their workers, they have to do everything by themselves. And it is a lot of work. So use automations, AI, and machines. Be dedicated, be in the same time of the future. Your small company is blocked from growth, not because you are not doing well or more, but because you are not doing the right strategy on the right time. Here my top advice for 3 steps framework for your business. Step 1, find where is the problem. Ask yourself, what is holding my business back? Example, if the sales is low, then the issue comes from the pricing, from the offer, or from the marketing. Identify the strategy. There is no one size fits all the answers. Common strategy, increase revenue per customer upselling, then expand into new markets. Execution and testing. A great strategy, it's useless if you don't implement it. Small companies, they achieve growth by testing and measure everything. My real life experience, I was updating my website each year. I update the blogs, the keywords, the FAQ section, the answers. I was also updating my machines. I updating myself, my softwares, and I see what is the future. I must be standing out of my competitors. Let's dive into strategies in action in real-world life experience. For example, make your research as you are going to design your own special sport car. Stick with the plan and stay inside the plan. Don't go out of your plan before you finish your research totally 100%. If you make it for the second time and the first time on row, 100%, your competitors on the third time are going to reach you out and they are going to work under you. Each time I do that, I see that I am dominating my competitors because I know what is challenging me and what is their mistakes, and I avoid it. In the meantime, when I did it on the first time and the second time, I saw that my competitors are reaching me out and they want to work with me. It's amazing. Just do it correct and see the result. I guarantee that you are going to soar like a rocket in the sky. Technique and solution to scale your sales. The first thing, if you have one service or one item, try to make from that service 3 pricing, or from that item 3 different qualities. 3 into 3. That means you have 9. You have to put in front of your clients 9 options. This is the secret of more upselling and dominating your competitors. In that way, you are putting in front of your clients and broad choices. He will choose one which is fit his budget and his lifestyle. Because your competitors, they have 1 options or 2 maximum. They have a product with discount or service with discount or with other quality. 1 of those. But you are making all the options in front of them. You have giving them the all prices. If you are planning to open a shop or you have already one, you have to take care about 2 things: the team of the sales and the layout of your shop. Because I am a business development, when I enter to any shop, I can analyze the problem immediately. And most of the time I give scores. I don't have until now more than 70% on 100 scored shops. Each time I enter to the shop and I see the sales team, I find out that the sales team are not trained well on the work floor. Or the CEO, he was doing roofing and then they put him in the fashion world. It's wrong. There is no matching. When you put someone as a CEO who have background about building and then you put him in the fashion world, there is no comparing to these businesses with each other at all. Because his mindset is related to the building, but the mindset of the fashion is related to the future. And this is the biggest mistake you can do it for your business. Sometimes that manager, he's influencing on the sales teams, but you can see the sales teams are still doing well and they can understand their job better than that manager because he have experience totally in other industry. You have to train him and to give him coaching and mindset up, also framework that match your business style to build a new experience. I prefer always to take someone who have enough experience rather than to pay a lot of money to get someone just he have experience in managing but doesn't have experience in his industry. I will give you the solution for these problems. How you can solve it? Very easy and low cost. By the way, I forget to tell you something. I am not here to sell any courses or any services. This is as a donation. Because when I started my business, I didn't find anyone to help me and I was struggle, and I don't need you to struggle in your business. On the other side, I'm giving also free business development consulting each end of the month. The last 2 days in the month, I'm giving 3 hours consultation. You can check the website here down below, register your information, and I will send you the right moment where we are going to start. It's limited for 14 people only. Now, the solution is to double your sales, not only to coaching the manager and make training for your sales teams and updating the layout in your shop. No, this solution is from the resource, from the root. It will lift and double your sales each year. After updating the layout and training the team, you have to set up a target. Set up double of your target. If you are selling per year 1 million, set up 2 million. Then ask your workers or your salesmen what the most things they are like to do. For example, if someone who told you, I like to travel, then told him, I am going to set up you also a target. You will sell with 100,000 euros. If you sell, I will send you to Paris on vacation on my cost. Buy him a ticket and send him. If someone he told you, yeah, I love sport cars, you cannot afford him a sport car, then at least send him to show sport cars. Buy him a ticket, send him with his favorite meal, with taxi ticket, and see he will double the sales or not. I am sure he will double it. Now, shop layout. Sometimes I enter to these stores and I see their entries, their music, the layout, like you put them on pause from 3 or 4 years ago. They haven't updated anything. It's a huge gap, a huge problem. They are just left behind. Where is the future? They have to live in the future. If you don't live in the future, the problem is you are living with your competitors in the same level, and you are not following or updating the system. If you don't update your system, you are just the same, your competitors in the same level. But if you update your system, then you will be standing out like you are living in the future. You are passing them in a few steps. And in that way, you can achieve more sales. If you are left behind, nobody is going to enter to your shop. Then they came and they said, why our sales is slow this year? This is everything. I don't have anything above this knowledge. If I know something new, I will release it for you. I wish it can help you to success in your business. Check this video about communication. It is going to change your life and your business. If you find this information has a value, pause this video and share it with friends and with family who is going to start his small company. It is going to help him a lot. Thank you.